Automation is extremely important in modern chromatography laboratories. Chromperfect supports many features and tools which allow data to be shared across the entire organization seamlessly and automatically. However, many organizations still manually input data from their chromatography data systems to third-party software. Until now, this has been a time-consuming process, and manual data entry is subject to human error. This is especially true when users must manually type complex data and text strings, a common requirement for chromatography analysis. An exciting new feature with Chromperfect version 8.2 is the ability to embed barcodes directly in the report header. This means that you can significantly increase the efficiency of your laboratory admin team and eliminate human error. The new feature uses the open-source barcode font Code 128. Once this has been installed, you can produce reports showing barcodes of any variable, calculation, or result in a report header. Once the report is printed, the user scans the barcode into the third-party software and the text is automatically entered, without the need for browsing for data or manually typing information. Scanning barcodes can reduce the time needed for data entry by at least a factor of 10. The applications are endless. Anywhere that a user must manually input data can be replaced with a barcode. This could be a data file name and path, sample name, operator details, or even a complex text or numerical calculation. This can be used to update an Excel spreadsheet, transfer sample or file names to LIMS, SAP, or a database. You can even use barcode scanning within your Chromperfect software to enter sample names, file names, or other information to reduce errors. Barcode reports can also be sent to label printers, ensuring sample integrity as it passes through the production or QC process. So how does it work? You will need a barcode scanner which is compatible with Code 128. If you do not have this already, they are available from most online electronic retailers and are generally inexpensive. You will also need to download and install the required barcode font. This is open source, and a link is provided below where you can download this for free. Next, you will need to build a Chromperfect report format. Open the file editor and select the Format File option. You can choose an existing report or start with a blank page. In this example, we're going to open an existing report. Next, add a new header where the barcodes will be displayed. Within this section, you can enter Chromperfect report codes. If you are unfamiliar with how to do this, please refer to the Chromperfect main manual and the section titled The Format File Editor form. To display the barcodes, you will need to use a new code which is available in version 8.2. When BC hash with curly brackets is entered into the header section, this will tell Chromperfect to produce the barcode. The text within the brackets can be either constant text as shown, or another header code, or even a combination of the two. When you have completed your report, we must tell Chromperfect to use the Code 128 font. With the header selected, click on the Properties button, then the Font button, and change the default font to Code 128. Save your new format file, and you are done. Now you can start printing barcodes within your reports. You may have to experiment with the font size so your scanner can easily read the barcode. The scanner will struggle if the printout is too small. In this example, we are using a font size of 26. Also be aware that most barcode readers are limited by the length of the barcode they can scan. Generally, the shorter the length, the easier it is to scan the barcode. If you have difficulties, try moving the scanner further from the page to ensure the beam covers the entire code. Now that you have completed your barcode report, you can print it manually from the Analyze program. Add it to your method file to automatically print a report at the end of every run. Or use the batch reprocessing to produce many reports at the same time. You can scan the codes directly into any Windows application, which supports normal text entry. This could be a database, an Excel spreadsheet, a Word document, LIMS system, or any other third-party software. Existing Chromperfect customers will need to update their software to version 8.2 or higher to use this new barcode functionality. If you are not already a Chromperfect user and are looking for the most powerful and automated chromatography data system available, please contact our sales team today. We would be delighted to discuss the various modules which will allow you to share your chromatography data throughout the organization. Thank you for watching.